Hey, how's it going? Do you want some free for only $1 to $5 per month? Well, hit that join button down below, and if that is not for you, the Patreon link will be in the description.
Whoa, wait a second. That's not free.
Well, let's not get too technical. We do offer a free Discord for everybody. G'day guys, just quickly before we begin, if you're one of the 82% of people who are not subscribed but watching our videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. We are on the road to 500,000. Hopefully we could actually get there within a year. It's a big ask, but we are looking to do it. So guys, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification. Hope you all enjoy the video. All links to the parts will be in the description. Enjoy the build. Today's video sponsor is Wondershare Recover It. Recover It is a free data recovery software to recover deleted or lost files from your PC, hard drive, USB, SD card, mobile phone, and more. Simply click the download link in the description for this free software and I'll show you how it works. Your installation will open to a page like this. You can view your hard disks and external devices to choose where you would like to recover a file. We deleted many files from our USB, so here is how you recover it. Click on the USB and click Start. The software will scan and find all deleted files. Choose the file that you want, highlight or check the box, right click and click Recover. Choose where you'd want it saved. Pretty straightforward if you ask me. There is also an advanced video repair option for fixing corrupted video files. Simply choose the video and click Repair. This particular option does, however, require an upgrade. Now you can either use the software for free or you can buy the upgrades. I personally think that the advanced lifetime package gives the best value. So what are you waiting for? Keep those precious files safe and download the Wondershare Recover It using the link in the video description. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you all enjoyed the build. As a quick reminder, if you are not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. 82% of people who watch this video are not subscribed, so just go ahead and hit it. It really helps us out. We're on the road to 500,000. Hopefully we can get there before the end of the year. As well, all parts used in this build are in the description. You can go check them out. They are Amazon affiliate links. Helps us out at no cost to you. It is greatly appreciated if you guys do support us in that way. As well, you can become a channel member or a Patreon. Links are in the description. That really helps us out so much, more than you guys actually know. So thank you for all the support that you guys are giving us over the past few years that we have been doing YouTube. Now, this build is actually built inside the Lian Li O11 Dynamic, and this is for a customer of ours. There was an unfortunate thing. The water block purchased for this GPU, and the GPU itself actually hangs out too far, so you can't get the glass panel back on. Something that wasn't thought about when buying this GPU. So he has graciously donated this case to us, and we almost had the build finished, but he's actually bought a new case, the Lian Li O11 Dynamic XL, which will fit his GPU in there. So that will be next week's build. But because we almost had this build finished, we thought, why not do the tubing, plumb it up, and do a build video for you guys. So I hope you all enjoyed. That's also the reason why some of the distro plate channels are not actually plugged up or anything like that, because we wanted to do the tubing a bit different as well, so that it's not the same as next week's build, which will be completely different. Anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, consider subscribing, checking out more videos on the channel, lots of custom PCs, reviews, modding tutorials, and much more. And if you are one of the 82% of people watching this video who are not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you all in the next one.